Subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive creative content from Puneet Gupta Invitations. Puneet Gupta Invitation presents RSVP with Puneet.
Hi everyone. I hope the quarantine is treating you safe and happy, or in your homes all safe. So we're going to be starting our live session soon. So during this entire lockdown period, we thought of coming up with this entire quarantine with PJ, wherein we thought of bringing in some industry experts for you and talk to you about different aspects of the wedding. So we've talked about fashion, we've talked about styling, we've talked about different ways to take care of your fashion and your style requirements. So now today we're going to talk about another key aspect of the wedding, the person behind some of the most dramatic sets that one could have witnessed so far. Yes, so I'm talking about Mr. Rituraj Khanna. So he's going to join us soon in this live session of ours. So I would like to tell you a bit more about him. So he's one of the industry stalwarts when it comes to wedding design and decor. So he's the man behind. You would see a place which is completely flat today, and then on the day of the wedding, you will actually see a full palatial structure there. I mean, he's that kind of a man. He would bring in a complete Santorini right in the heart of a city. He would maybe just convert a flat ground, a flat helipad, a flat airbase completely into a wedding pandal in a couple of days. I mean, he's like that. His ideas are so impressive, so innovative, so unique, and one thing I would like to say, it's always larger than life. So it's always bigger, it's always luxurious, it's always I mean, you can't his thinking process begins where the thinking process for a lot of others end. So he's that kind of a visionary we'll be talking to. He's the man behind the beautiful sets of We Day the Wedding, a beautiful movie we'd on seen. So that's another feather on his cap. He is often called as the godfather of Indian wedding industry. So he's a great guy, and he's a great person to look up to. So I would request Mr. Khanna to please join us and join this live session. Hi, how are you?
Hi, Puneet. I'm good. How are you?
I'm very well. I'm sorry for the late reception. I think you had joined in, and I was still.
No, I was
So
hearing you talk. That's fine.
So how is your quarantine going? How are you? What are you doing? One thing we are all aware of, that you're taking a lot of classes for sure. You're training and teaching a lot of students.
That I'm doing.
Okay, great. So tell me something. Before this COVID-19, we were all busy with different projects. There are a couple of weddings which are supposed to happen in April and in May. And because of this entire corona pandemic, they've all been postponed or maybe temporarily put on hold. So how are you hand-holding these brides and these couples in terms of managing to shift the entire wedding? There's so much of thought process that goes behind creating a set, so much of back-end process. So how are you dealing with that? How are you managing that?
See, I guess it's happened with everybody in the world. So we have to postpone it. There's no other alternative. So we are still waiting for the new dates, because as soon as we think कि 15 दिन खत्म होने वाले हैं and we are getting a new date to come out or something, and it extends by another 15 days.
Yeah.
So now we've told the clients also to chill now until unless we get out and we are sitting in office, and then we start talking.
Also, I think the whole restriction of number of people also. When it comes to the weddings that you do, it's always a mega project. It's always, there's so many karigars and craftsmen involved. I mean, the workforce strength of your company, or maybe the people who are actually on the job, is much more than the complete restriction, the units that the government has capped on. Like 50, I mean, 50 is nothing. It's a very small number.
See, they're going to increase now. The 50 तो अभी क्या है कि they are starting to do something, and they're failing what they say. So by the time we finish with this corona thing, अगर हमको 200 400 500 what I think they are going to do is give us a per square feet kind of a thing where we have a big lawn and how much people we can fit in. जहाँ 1000 आते थे वहाँ 400 भी आ जाएंगे. It's good enough. So one day we can do a mehndi for 200-300 people. One day we can do a sangeet. One day we can do a wedding. So all guests are also invited. And see, once this
So,
thing starts, I don't see any problem. Abhi kya hai, everything shut. Our minds also shut. But
so
after attending so many webinars and all, I think हो जाएगा कुछ अच्छा सा हो जाएगा.
and what do you see that people would move in for more closed venues and ballroom spaces, or they would still prefer to do it outdoors, maybe in a lawn setting? What is it going to be in terms of the venue preferences?
Puneet, I think the first thing people are going to attack is hotels because
Okay.
they would want थोड़ा secure feel करना चाहेंगे वो लोग भी. And I think hotels give them comfort.
Yeah, yeah. True.
So, but I think maybe, I mean, it depends when we open up. And accordingly, I think we should be starting our farm weddings already. क्योंकि वहाँ पर भी हैंगर है, openness है, social distancing तो देखो होगी नहीं, शादी है. So,
True.
हो
True.
नहीं
How
सकती.
do you manage that? That's not
You
possible. You
can't.
can't. Yeah.
If you see the TV today, only the booze shops open today, the liquor shops,
Yeah. Yeah.
and only the first four people are standing in the circles. The rest were just piling up.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you can't do it.
Absolutely. Yeah. So, what do you suggest should be the 5 key things to keep in mind when couples they start planning their wedding post this COVID era, post this Corona pandemic? What are the 5 things they should keep in mind when they're planning?
See, first venue first, because people were getting married in the entire world. They wanted to go everywhere. So I guess we have to restrict ourselves to just, according to me, I think if we are based out of Delhi, हमको देखना चाहिए हमारे आसपास 5 घंटे की जर्नी में कौन सा जगह है अच्छी. We have Mussoorie, we have Covert Park, we have Nainital, we have Jaipur, Agra, Manesar. So I think we should plan a wedding there.
COVID fight so far. I think
Yes.
Goa is really Corona
Those
free.
we can't.
That would be one place.
See, people
that
are not going to travel. The guests are not going to travel for the time being. उनको एयरपोर्ट जाते हुए डर लगेगा, एयरपोर्ट में पास बैठने में डर लगेगा. So to give a comfortable wedding, I think they can just drive to these destinations and get married and come back.
and
Second,
yeah.
I think our entertainment is going to be good this time because कोई चीज कम होएगी, थोड़ी कोई चीज ज्यादा होएगी. Decor wise, also we are planning something a little different from what we normally do for destinations.
Okay.
In hotels and all, we get the place only at night and we have to hand it over the next day. Maybe we get it in the mornings also at times. So themes के लिए the couple also has to agree to what we are saying now कि इतना ही हो सकता है. And but I think traveling to places like Jaipur and Mussoorie and 5-6 hours, I think it's comfortable for everybody.
Yeah. Yeah. So
And areas which are we have big areas.
Would work.
Yeah.
And what do you think, like, creating sets and decor, as you said, you would be limiting them to a certain extent, but
No, we are redesigning them so that we can work faster.
Okay. But
That way.
even if you prefabricate it or you design them faster, there would be still a lot of strength that would be required to actually
Yeah,
put
definitely.
the entire thing all together.
That's our major
What would be the sanitization aspects? What methods you would take to kind of make sure that since it's a labor-intensive job, so how would the sanitization come into play when it
See,
comes to setting up these structures?
another 15 days, I think people are going to come up with 100 of things. Today only I saw one instrument that's been put in a flat in Bombay in the lobby. It's a long pipe, and you go and stand underneath it, and it sprays you something kind of it's like a cloud, and then you're sanitized.
Sanitization tunnels and all these things. I
So
think would become
tunnels, I don't.
part,
नहीं शादी में नहीं, the ladies will kill us.
Okay.
They have to walk through the tunnel with the spray happening.
Yeah.
But now I saw a very sleek thing. It was just a pipe and just fog coming up from this thing on the person, and you can enter.
Oh, that's interesting. So
और 15 दिन में आ जाएगा. Fashion statements make a lot of difference. जहाँ weddings आएंगी, fashion आएगा. So ये भी चीज थोड़ा बनेगी ना अलग अलग हिसाब से.
Also, of lately, some people are talking about virtual weddings. Do you think it's a positive move? Do you think that is the right way to go about it?
See, being Indians, हमको सोशा पसंद है. We are very, social animals है हम लोग.
Yeah, true.
So you can't. I mean, मुझे बताओ कौन करेगा 50. अब उस दिन somebody is doing a party with 25 people. Mother's Day आ रहा, we also doing a dinner at home for mom and all. But क्या है ना, somebody sitting in America, somebody वो अपना खाना पकाएंगे, अपनी दारू पियेंगे, सब कुछ अपना करेंगे. So virtual weddings में क्या होता है? The parents will be there, the दूल्हा दुल्हन will be there, and the sister and all. The rest of them, I don't know. I can't imagine that kind of guest list at all.
Yeah, and also I think the families, they've always been preparing for this big day. I mean, parents, they've always thought or dreamt about this day. When their kids are going to get married, when their daughter is going to get married. So I think virtual wedding will completely kill that entire emotion, that memory.
But that day I read a very nice. Somebody had put it on Facebook. You book us now. We'll get a virtual wedding done for you, and you throw a big party the next year. So people are thinking a lot.
Party will be still on, is what we feel.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Without having a
2
party.
महीने 3 महीने में नहीं होएगी पार्टी होएगी.
Okay.
कहीं नहीं जाती. आजकल विकास गुटकुटे has come out with a very good slogan, Touchwood and all. It's called सब दिन शुभ है, हर दिन शुभ है. So they think कि अगर when you are born you don't have a particular date, when you die you don't have a particular date, so you shouldn't have a date for a wedding also.
Yeah, for a wedding also. That's interesting. That's very different, interesting for sure. So
Yeah.
tell me something. You've done thousands, and I mean they can't be put any number to the kind of weddings you've done. So which is one of the project which is like really near to your heart? Something which was very exciting for you. Something which was maybe you felt that was a creative challenge. Could you tell us more about
See, we
a
do
project like that?
huge weddings in Delhi and all, but the weddings I personally like are the weddings done in Udaipur, in the palace, in Jagmandir.
Okay.
I've done, I don't know how many weddings in that area. I love that place. But
So what is so unique about it that you like Udaipur, you like Jagmandir? What is
see,
it
तो
that kind of?
वैसी property दोबारा दुनिया में बनेगी नहीं. I feel it's the most beautiful property in the world.
Okay.
I just love it. And every time I do a function there, an event there, it's so different to what I think of, imagine also.
Okay.
And the full experience of going there, going in the lake, taking your stuff there, and building over there, and
So
the
I think
royalty is
it's all
still there.
about experience that kind of matters and makes a wedding
Yeah.
different from the rest.
So यहाँ क्या है, यहाँ पर होती है बड़ी शादियाँ बहुत होती हैं. We work for one month for each thing. You've seen them. Santorini करा हमने, एक रामलीला करी, बहुत सारे करे हैं. I mean, those are very, very near to my heart. But I still remember my events. मैं उदयपुर करता हूँ कभी. Daily parties भी बहुत अच्छी होती है, but that is I dream about those weddings.
Okay. And after this COVID-19, what would be the 5 critical aspects of any wedding that the couple should take care of? Like, if you could pinpoint to us in terms of, say, decor is one that they have to rethink and reinvent the wheel and understand, keeping in mind the sanitization. What would be the other 4 elements that you think one should?
See, Puneet, I think
that kind of
another
makes-
2-3 months, Corona will be out of our system. What I feel. होगा थोड़ा बहुत होगा. Like you made those beautiful masks. I've been showing it to everybody. With those Swarovski and all these masks. I think people love wearing them with the saris and all. They could take it out when they're drinking or eating or something.
So
But
we're thinking to even coordinate them with the outfits
why
that
not?
the
Why
people
not?
would be wearing, or becomes the nice giveaway till the time.
See, Modi ji that they said
we
you
have-
have to make the mask a part of your life. So if it has to be that way, so why not this way then?
Yeah, absolutely.
There's another person who's making masks.
Stopping
He
you
says,
from being fashionable.
yeah, fashion is all.
Yeah.
Today, there's a guy who makes masks and he says people are very worried क्योंकि मूछें उगा रखी कहाँ जाएंगी. So उसने मास्क पे मूछें बना दी हैं. So पीपल, आप देखो ना, जो कोई न्यूज आती है विद इन आई थिंक 30 seconds उसका कुछ ना कुछ क्रिएटिव बन के निकलने शुरू हुआ था आजकल, एंड इट्स इन व्हाट्सएप इन 2 minutes में भी।
Hmm. Hmm.
सो ऐसे जब कुछ शादी की चीज आती है तो लोग दिमाग लगाने जब शुरू करते हैं, दे कम आउट विद ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स यार। यू सी योरसेल्फ यार, आई मीन
Yeah, yeah,
द काइंड ऑफ स्टफ यू आल्सो मेक, आई मीन
yeah.
इट्स माइंड ब्लोइंग है। सो
Thank you. Yeah, I mean, even with this entire concept of ours of doing this couture masks was just to kind of do something new, and we wanted to give some interesting work to even the carigars and embroiders that we have. I mean,
why not?
what
You know, we have masquerade parties where
hmm.
people come with masks and all, so why not,
Yeah.
and it's just so beautiful.
Tell me something. How was your experience when you were working on the project Viredi wedding? How
See,
was it?
that actually happened with a in a banquet of ours, which we already owned, Veda, to this Vijay, and they wanted a few things made from us for production and changed for a lot of things and all. So number one, I never went for that project at all, and they were quite diced. He's telling me Sonam is there, Karina is there. आप आते नहीं हो साइट पे देखने के लिए, and I had another set for them जो उनके घर पे था, that was संगीत.
Yeah. Okay.
So he used to keep telling me, I think कि आपका क्रेडिट यहाँ देंगे, आपको क्रेडिट यहाँ देंगे. So I got quite sick, you know. I told him, I said, "Ji, I'm a big star myself. I don't give it." So he was really shocked. But it was nice. Very nice dealing. They came to my office twice. Once to meet me, once to pick me. That's it.
That's great. So I would like to take a few questions that people have been posting while we've been speaking.
Yeah.
So one of them is asking, do you think destination weddings will be in fashion now?
See, like I told you, if you stay in Bombay, please search for places which are around Bombay, which where you can drive. Same with Chennai, same with people staying in Calcutta or us staying over here. For the time being, I think 1 or 2 years, we will have to just circle around these places only.
Yeah, I think
But
domestic travel and domestic
see, people are
destination
going to
weddings
avoid
is
it.
going to be
Because अगर social distancing travel में रखनी है तो एक हवाई जहाज में जहाँ 300 लोग आते हैं and you're fitting 100 people, the guest will be sloshed with these expenses.
But don't you think, like, for example, we have like a destination wedding happening near Delhi, say Neemrana Fort or something, wherein the gathering is very intimate and it's more personalized, versus a city wedding which is happening inside a ballroom, say one of the hotels in Aero City. So what do you think will rise more? People's preference. What would people prefer more?
देखो पुनीत, अभी तो मुझे लग रहा है कि एकदम से इतना काम आएगा that there will be no place in any hotel, any banquet, any of the small places. Because weddings जो अप्रैल में होनी थी, they're going to be hold till October. So अप्रैल में जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर रोका है. बहुत चीजें होती है हमारी छोटे छोटे हिंदुस्तानियों में. फिर है तो people require space. छोटे बैंक्वेट जो नहीं चलते थे पहले, जो 100 लोग 200 लोग के होते थे, बिकॉज आवर नंबर यूज्ड टू बी बिग, 400 500, तो उनको बड़ी जगह जहाँ सूट करती थी.
True.
So
Be it big or small, I think banquets in closed places are going to see a daylight for sure.
yeah,
Another
sure.
question someone is asking is, do you think jobs of event planners and wedding planners is at risk?
See, at risk, I will not say at risk, but yes, they also need to understand that if we don't have work, that they also need to understand our situation and be with us. So as of now, we have been paying our salaries and all, but if the closure happens, because we have a huge task force.
Okay.
I think it's
Yeah.
more to do than people who are entering, our managers and all, they will stay for sure. But I think the people who have just joined the industry, they are more scared, because I get a lot of calls on this. Do you think about something else? So I always give them the answer that the entire world is closed. You can't think of anything else. So you might as well be good at what you know right now and let it open up.
So, okay. Someone's asking, did I make Bharti's wedding card? Yes, I did. Then someone is asking, there was a question on Trend, I think. I'm just scrolling it up. So someone was asking, what are going to be upcoming trends For
See now, trends वो same ही रहेंगे यार. I mean, the mehndi will be colorful. We have smaller ceremonies like a beach wedding. Then
hmm,
इतनी बड़ी नहीं होंगी.
hmm,
Backdrops हो जाएंगे ज़्यादा बड़े बड़े. जैसे
hmm,
हमने Phantom of the Opera करा था, उसका स्टेज ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, बाकी नहीं होगा.
hmm, hmm,
So है होगा. Initially 3-4 महीने बाद सब I think they'll be back to normal.
hmm. So there is someone else who's asking what is going to be the top destination for weddings after COVID? I think that you'd already answered.
Yeah,
Going to be
according to me,
possibly.
I think any place which is around you,
Hmm,
वही चलेगी बस.
hmm.
Until unless the flights start everywhere,
I think
but
within
then again,
the vicinity, within the reach of a car travel.
because if I'm doing a wedding in Bangalore, then again I have to take my trucks, then again I have to take my labor there. फिर रास्ते में ट्रेन में problem, फिर you know traveling going to be a problem for labor class people also.
Hmm,
So no matter how much you groom them, problem रहती है.
hmm, true.
So although we are planning to, and problem is the kind of labor we have in house and the ones we hire from outside. That is the problem. Inside में तो क्या है ना, we are planning to get COVID, we call them Q COVID cards with the health histories here.
Okay. Hmm,
But बाहर वालों के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, that we have to see.
okay. So next question is, Puneet, help me with what to give as a gift with my wedding card. Okay, so that's a question for me. So for wedding gifting, I think try and do something which is for use, which is utility based. I think India has some amazing craft. You should do something which people will remember for a longer time. Maybe like if you check out our Instagram page, Puneet the Crafted Fine Goods, you can find some amazing fragrances. You can look at some beautiful silverware. You could look at some beautiful decor pieces. So it really depends on what your theme is of the wedding, and you should just do something around that.
But I think you have a very ardent fan. His name is Sid underscore something. He's there I think he's getting married also. I saw him day before also when you were doing a session with somebody.
Yeah. Then what else? That is okay. So I think I've taken enough questions, and in case if there are any questions, I can always message you and ask.
Yeah, sure, anytime. Anytime.
So now I would like to make it a little fun. I'm gonna do a little rapid fire round with you. You have to be spontaneous. You cannot take a pause. You just have to keep firing answers the way I fire
I'll
questions.
try.
Yeah. So I'm gonna start. So do you like being an event designer or an event teacher?
Teacher.
Teacher. Yeah. So I'm gonna show my reactions to when. So do you prefer 24 hours of sleeping or 24 hours at your set, at the site?
At the set.
Yeah, I knew that. You're cool.
Yes, it's cool.
So, last thing you Googled on your phone?
My city, Missouri.
Achha, beautiful. So you must be missing that. I mean,
I'm getting a lot of invitations, so I'm missing it more.
Okay. So, which is your favorite social media platform? Facebook. Or Instagram or Twitter?
Facebook any day. Facebook any day. My Facebook is a riot.
Yeah, I think you're always posting something new.
If I don't post anything for 1 hour, people start sending messages, sir, everything okay? So I have to keep that active.
So tell me something. What is the funniest requirement you ever got from a client of yours?
Nothing. No clients can be funny with me at least. They won't ask anything from me. They're all very serious. The only thing they can ask for me is flowers. Nothing funny.
Okay. What are you watching on Netflix?
Nothing. I think I'm the only person who hasn't watched a single movie or web series in these past 48 days of my quarantine.
So what is keeping you busy then?
So busy. My phone starts ringing at 8 in the morning. My industry people don't leave me. The bachas of the industry, the seniors of the industry, my sessions are endless. I'm always talking these days. Yeah. I get phone calls and they say, sir, please phone mat rakhna. आपको बहुत साल से हम ढूंढ रहे हैं जब तक हम phone नहीं रखेंगे. So people are talking to me over the phone for two hours, one hour. So
I think you're even more busy in the lockdown as compared to when you were working prior to the lockdown.
Yeah. So मुझे पता नहीं चलता कब time जाता है. 11:30 बड़ी माफी मांग के फिर then I don't pick up a phone.
So for you, when it comes to decor, less is more or more is less?
Less is more a Puneet Sikand's line. Mainly more is more.
More is more, like bigger the better,
The
grander
bigger the
the
better. You have
right.
to, yeah. You can, now at the stage we are in, we can't give anything less.
Yeah.
तो हम
What?
ज्यादा लेके सोचते हैं और ज्यादा देते हैं.
So tell me something. You must be doing a lot of events every day. So what are the maximum number of events you've done in a single day?
So I can't calculate a single day. Normally, when I do my destinations, last year I did 40 destinations from October to March in different towns.
Wow.
So I had Bhopal, Udaipur, and Surat in a gap of 5 days. All the 5 days I had to wrap up in those days.
So you were
So I
traveling
had
out.
three. I had traveled 10 hours every day for the events. So I had two events going on, morning and evening in Bhopal. I handed over, traveled the night. I gave two events in Surat, morning and night. Traveled
Okay.
the night to this thing. So I had about 6 events in 3 days.
So did you even get to sleep within
No,
this
not at
entire?
all. Not me, nor my staff. But the maximum events I did was for Lakshraj's wedding in Udaipur, where we used to start events at 6 in the morning, which used to be a puja, and we used to finish with something. So about 5 to 6 events per day, and we did about 22 events in 6 days.
And for Lakshya Raj's wedding, I mean, it's the royal family of Udaipur, so I'm sure there would be so many rituals involved, which are traditionally, the
Beautiful. It was like
Rajasthani.
a it was like a dream sequence. दोबारा होएगा भी नहीं ऐसी शादी दोबारा. The kind of royalty we saw, the kind of clothes we saw, the jewelry, the swords, the kings and the queens and the barat, everything was mind blowing.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, next question is first thing that you'll do when this lockdown is lifted. First thing that you'll do.
Go for a holiday,
Where?
Missouri.
Okay. So, so that's
I
the
think I'm
next
the only
question.
one
We're going to
also who
catch
doesn't like
you
going traveling
in
abroad.
case if we
Yes.
want to meet you in person.
No, no, you please come because the hotel people have asked me to specially ask my wedding fraternity to accompany me and be with them to in Missouri.
Great. So,
So,
food for thought or food for tummy?
food for tummy. These days, only tummy, food for tummies only.
That's great. So I think that was a amazing rapid fire. You answered all the questions without a hitch. That was great. I would like to give you a virtual hug for sure. Social distancing, so since
Thanks.
we can't meet, so I'm just giving you a hug from
Thank
here.
you.
And I would like to thank you for taking out time and
Thank you,
speaking
Puneet.
to us, being here. I know how busy you've been keeping even during this entire lockdown period. Taking so many classes. There's so many wedding institutes that you're kind of mentoring a lot of young
Yeah.
kids, a lot of youngsters from the wedding fraternity. So I think it's great. Thank you so much for
No,
your
I'm
time.
doing single sessions also now. People call
Sure.
me now.
Okay. Okay.
So I'm enjoying that. It's part.
Great.
As long as I can help anybody, it's okay.
So that was man of the moment, Mr. Rituraj Khanna, here with us. In case we've missed on any questions, in case you still have any questions, those of you who were not able to hear him out, we'll be posting this video again on our Instagrams. You can always go back and watch the episode. Thank you.
Thank you, Vinit. Bye bye. Bye,
Bye
everyone.
bye.
Thank
Take
you.
care. Stay
Bye.
home. Stay
Bye.
safe.
Yeah, you too. Bye.
So I think that was an amazing session with Mr. Khanna. I think great takeaways for us in terms of the venues, in terms of domestic weddings are going to be a big hit. You should ideally look at a place or a venue which is near your city, or maybe try and do it within your city. 5-star, 7-star properties are going to be a great pick. So in terms of decor, of course, he is a man of grandeur, so he likes things which are bigger and larger. And what you can obviously do is you can always look at things which are personalized to your style. So I hope everyone enjoyed this session. So we're gonna be back soon with another session, another interesting topic we'll be touching on.